Welcome back. Welcome back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on this 2021 Ford F450. These things are very, very easy to do. 5 minutes, you're done. So let's get started, all right? First thing, there's green tabs underneath here. Push that way and push up. You'll be able to grab it. See how that's lifted up? That is unlocked. Pull it off, set it to the side. This one, same thing, 2 little tabs, pull it off. This one, same as that one, tuck that under there. Push up on the tabs, pull it off. And to get it out, turn. It pops right out. New one. Got a little lock tab on it. Put it in the same way you took it out. And turn. You hear it click. Install your hose. Pull that piece off. Install your hose. And the green one, which I had sitting underneath here. Install your hose. And that's it. Fuel filter is replaced. And then what I'll do is I'll get inside and prime it up a little bit, and I'll show you how to do that. Now I'm getting inside. Key on, off, on, off, and start. And that is how you do the fuel filter on a 6.7 diesel. That's the one on top of the engine. Pretty easy. Quick connects, those 3 hoses, turn, pull it out, put your new one in, turn it, quick connect and lock them back in. That's all you gotta do. Appreciate it, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you. See you on the next one.